How often do we stop to ponder about the importance of butterflies in our ecosystem? These vibrant creatures serve as pollinators, indicators of a healthy environment, and even as a food source for other species. Understanding this, it becomes clear that we can all play a part in supporting these beautiful creatures by creating a butterfly-friendly environment right in our gardens. Creating a butterfly garden involves more than just planting flowers. It requires planning and understanding the life cycle of butterflies. Let's begin with step 1, choosing a sunny location. Butterflies are sun-loving creatures, so select a spot in your garden that gets plenty of sunlight throughout the day. Next, we'll move on to selecting the right plants. To attract and support butterflies, you'll need both nectar and host plants. Nectar plants provide food for adult butterflies, while host plants are where they lay their eggs and caterpillars feed. Some popular nectar plants include milkweed, aster, and coneflower. For host plants, consider plants like parsley, dill, and milkweed again. Avoiding pesticides is crucial. They can harm or kill butterflies and caterpillars. Instead, encourage natural predators, like birds and ladybugs, to control pests. Providing water and shelter is also essential. A shallow dish filled with water or a damp area in the garden will suffice for butterflies to drink and cool off. Small piles of leaves or logs can provide shelter. Lastly, maintaining the garden. Regularly check your plants for health, remove any dead or diseased plants, and replace them as necessary. With these steps, you can create a haven for butterflies and contribute to butterfly conservation. To ensure that your butterfly garden thrives, remember these key points. Butterflies are vital to our ecosystem. Creating a butterfly garden involves careful planning, and both nectar and host plants are essential. Remember, every garden can become a sanctuary for butterflies with the right planning and care. Creating a butterfly garden is a rewarding endeavor that supports both the local ecosystem and the global environment. Embark on this exciting journey today and let us know your progress in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!